Students, we are in our 9th chapter of your first unit. Here we are going to see the functions of financial management. Here you have 10 functions. First one is estimates capital requirement, makes the choice of sources of funds, then disposal of surplus, controls finances, tax planning and protection of asset, ascertain capital composition, investment of total funds, managers of cash flow, decisions of acquisitions and merger, decisions of capital budgeting. Now we'll see one by one. First one is estimates the capital requirement of business. My dear students, please listen that in this concept you should consider yourself as a finance manager. Then the concept will be easy for you to understand. Right? So first one is estimates the capital requirement of the business. In this concept, the finance manager will see the probable cost, expected profit and upcoming programs. Here the finance manager will analyze if he chooses a particular project, what will be the cost, what will be the profit of chosen project, and also is there any expansion for his project in upcoming days or upcoming years. Second one, ascertains capital composition. Here there is a short-term and long-term sources of fund. Capital means already you know it is a money. Here he want to analyze whether he is going to choose a long-term sources of fund or short-term sources of fund. Sources of funds means you know very well that the company is borrowing the cash from the outsiders, right? If the finance manager expects he may pay back to the borrowers within 1 year, he may choose short-term capital. And another side, if finance manager expects his profit will comes only after 1 year and it is possible to pay the borrowers after 1 year, he may choose the long terms, right? So based on his profit, he want to choose whether he is getting a loan from the bank as a short-term loan or else a long-term loan. Short-term loan means he will pay within 1 year. Long-term loan means he will pay only after 1 year. Next, third one is makes the choice of sources of fund. You have more choice. The financial manager has more choice and chance. So while choosing the fund, he should analyze all the choice and he want to choose best one according to the company's activity and his profit. Here the choice is loans from the banks and other financial institutions. You may issue the shares to the public. You may issue the debentures to the debenture holders, right? These are the source. So based on the advantage and disadvantage of each and every source, the finance manager want to choose a best one for his company. Next one is investment of total funds. After getting the funds from the outsiders and also from your pocket, you want to choose a business which will give the profit, that is funds